Alright, welcome everybody. This is just going to be a how-to video on how to get a free remote desktop connection program. The use for this is, say you're traveling, you have a file on a computer at home, and you need a file to be sent to your phone, or vice versa. You have your phone out in public, you're trying to access a computer back at your house, and you're trying to get some type of file off of it or send an email or anything like that. This allows you to connect remotely either from a home computer to a mobile device, or from a mobile device to a home computer, or to multiple devices. So what you're first going to do is you're going to go to Google. Now this program is free. Google does make it. It is called Chrome Remote Desktop. You're going to search that in Google and it will pop up right here on the top. You're going to click that, and then you're presented with the setup screen. From here, we're going to go to remote access, and we're going to set up remote access on the computer. So we're going to click turn on. I'm going to create the name. I'm going to leave it as what it says, Dan Desktop, and we're going to create a PIN. Alright, and then we're going to hit start. Alright, now it's setting up the connection on my desktop. Alright, it is now online. And now we're going to transition over to my phone, and we're going to see what the setup looks like on my phone for the next portion. Alright, once on your phone, you will then go to the App Store, and you will look up Chrome Remote Desktop, and download Chrome Remote Desktop on your iPhone. Alright, once you're on the Chrome Remote Desktop, you will sign in. And then once signed in, you will see the device that you had just previously set up will be displayed on your screen. You will then click on that device, and it will then ask for the PIN. So I'll just use this PIN. This is not my actual PIN. I am going to change it after the video. And now it's logged into my computer. I will then go to trackpad mode from the menu on the side. And now I am on my computer remotely, using my finger to use the mouse. I have all the same function and ability as I have if I were to use my computer physically at the house. If you want to get to the keyboard, you just hit the menus tab, and you can show the keyboard that way. And you can disconnect as well as getting into other settings from this menu. Just going to disconnect, and that's basically how you would use Chrome Remote Desktop in order to connect to multiple devices.